Did you know that you can now do screenshots directly from within the Chrome browser? You don't have to add any special apps or extensions. Just make some changes in the Chrome flag settings. And once that's done, when you have something open that you want to do a screenshot of, simply select Share this page, click on it, and you now get the menu that comes up, and one of the items on here is Screenshot. Select it, and you can now select whatever part of this image you'd like to share with someone else. So let's just highlight this part. Now, if you have a video editor assigned as your default, you can select Edit. It will open that default image editor and you can do some editing, or you can download it, but it's already been copied to the clipboard. So you can open up anything else that accepts an image and just simply paste it into that other app. Let me show you how to set this up so that it works on your Chrome browser. To get this experimental feature working, simply open up the Chrome browser and then type the following in the address bar. And then hit enter. And when this opens up, as it says here, these items that you can activate are experimental, which means they'll eventually become part of the actual available items, or they may not. Google has the right to just take them back. But you can always enjoy them for as long as they're available, unless they become a permanent part of the Chrome browser. Once this is open, in the search bar, type screenshots. Once that's typed, you'll see here two items, desktop screenshots and desktop screenshots edit mode. They're both on default. You want to click the down arrow, select enable, do the same for this one, enable, and now you'll have to relaunch the browser. Let's do that right now. You'll see that these two items are now enabled. So let's go ahead and go to a new tab. I'm going to open up Photos, my Google Photo account, and from here scroll down and all right, there's a nice picture. Let's select it, and now up here where it says share this page, select it, select screenshot, and again you select the portion that you want to save. Once you've done the selection, let go, and you make your choice. Edit, download, or just realize it's already copied to the clipboard and paste it someplace where you need to use that picture. Simple, and now you have a screenshot tool built right into the Chrome browser. No add-ons, no extensions. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.